Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by opening Settings and navigating to Apps, then App Lock. Enable it now. Choose a PIN or pattern and register a My account for recovery. This prevents lockout. Grant required permissions, storage, display over apps, and device admin so App Lock can run reliably. Once done, make sure you toggle individual apps to lock. Don't skip permission prompts, because without them, App Lock can't protect or hide notifications. Keep a short recovery note in a secure place. Now you'll choose which apps to lock. Tap the plus or search for system apps, and mark messaging, banking, and settings first. Once selected, enable fingerprint or face unlock so you access locked apps fast. This reduces PIN fatigue while keeping security. Toggle intruder selfie and hide notifications for added privacy. They prevent exposure of sensitive content. If you want timed unlocking, set Smart Unlock for trusted locations. Make sure to test one app to confirm behavior before locking everything. Finish by backing up App Lock settings to your My account so you can restore them on a reset. Test unlocking and notification behavior. If an app fails to lock or unlock, clear App Lock cache, force stop, and restart the phone. This fixes most glitches. If problems persist, reinstall system updates, sign into the My account again, or as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. One tip: confirm battery optimizations aren't restricting App Lock. Whitelist it to avoid background kills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.